here's another problem, and I believe this is out of 13.1. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the value of x, and we're trying to find the value of y. Okay, so let's see if we can find the value of x. So if you notice here, y'all, we do have a right triangle. Okay, so we can say, look, if we're going to find x, we can say x squared, okay, because that's my hypotenuse. It's going to be equal to 12 squared plus 12 square root of 3 squared. Okay, so let's do this. 12 squared is 144, and 12 squared again is also 144 times 3, right? Oops, 144. All right, so now let's see if we can find this. So, y'all, I'm going to get my calculator here. Okay, let me turn this guy on. Let me clear this. So we have 144 plus 144 times 3, right? So 576, okay, 576. And then, y'all, to find the value of x, we're going to take the square root. So x is going to be equal to, let's take the square root of 576, and we're coming up with 24, right? So look, y'all, x is going to be equal to the number 24. So right here, y'all, I'm going to put a 24. Excuse me. Now we want to see if we can find the value of y. So, y'all, a couple things I'm going to notice here. So this number here is now 24. Okay, so look, y'all, we have the short leg, we have the hypotenuse, and we have the long leg. And in my notes, we have something about a special triangle called the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, and in the 30, 60, 90 triangle, y'all, the short leg is what we call S, and the hypotenuse is double that, and the long leg is the short leg times the square root of 3. So look, here's my short leg. It's 12. So that's why the hypotenuse is 24, and the long leg is 12 square root of 3. So that means that this angle over here, y'all, is 30 degrees, and that means that this angle up here would have to be 60 degrees, right? And because, right, here's my 90-degree triangle, right? And then if I'm looking at this little triangle right here, y'all, well, if this guy here is 30 and that big angle is 90, then this angle down here is 60. So look, let's go like this, okay? We're going to say, look, this side here is 12, this side here is y, and here's my 90 degrees, right? And we're saying that this angle down here is 60, so this angle over here is going to have to be 30. Okay, so I want to do a little stare and compare here. Look at my hypotenuse, right? My hypotenuse is 12. And because, again, I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle here, right? I'm going to come back over here, right? And again, I'm just looking at this triangle right here, right? My hypotenuse is 2s. So this side here, guys, is going to be double what this side has to be, okay? So let's see if we can find that value. So what that's telling me is that 2s is equal to 12. So if I divide everything by 2, the little s, y'all, should be the number 6, okay? And then, oops, then I'm going to come back this way, and I'm going to say, look, well, what about this guy right here? Well, if this guy is s, this is s times the square root of 3. So if this side is 6, then y should be 6 times the square root of 3, okay? And again, y'all, what I'm doing is I'm coming back and I'm looking at my 30, 60, 90 triangle. And that's basically how I'm able to figure this thing out, okay? Again, y'all, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.